Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from Orange Beach to 8 nautical miles southeast of Perdido Pass. The strong thunderstorms were moving west near 10 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar.
Oh, wow.
Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location: coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles. A tropical storm